So this is the Suzuki GSX8S. So this is Suzuki naked midweight bike is what this is. No wind protection whatsoever, so you will get a lot of buffeting on this naked bike. Buffeting is a problem for you, look away. You need fairings. Why would you look at a naked bike? It's got those nice blue alloys by Suzuki, and a blue subframe as well. It is a twin, parallel twin. Fuel injected, computer controlled, quite a modern engine. Easy to service, easy to work on. So your oil filter is there, your oil filler cap is here, just nice things like that. And you do get monobox, so you've got quite a bit of stopping power. You do also get the DRLs, you do get the LED headlights, you just don't get the LED indicators. It's good looking for a naked bike. Less than 100 horsepower, but it's quite fast for the road. No problems there. And being 800, it's fairly light, which is a good thing. So it's going to be easy to maneuver. It's going to give you a good balance with fuel economy as well, being only the 800. And if you're looking for a mid-weight naked bike, this is an interesting choice.